Alright, so first of all, we need to download these things. I will put the links to download these things in the description. So after I download the files, alright, so after I've done that, first of all we can open up the Lively software. So just search for Lively wallpaper and open that up. Alright, so after I've opened up the Lively wallpaper software, it won't gonna look like this. So simply just wanna click on this little icon right here and double click on the icon. After that, what you want to do is you can download the wallpaper, which I'm gonna provide in this folder right here. So all you need to do is click on the plus, click on browse, and then go to the location where you guys saved my folder and go ahead and select the wallpaper right here and click on open. And now it will be added to this software, so just click on OK. So after you have actually added that to your software, just click on that and the wallpaper will be applied to your desktop. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention you a very important thing, which is, let's say if you want to have a taskbar like this, just open up Lively wallpaper software and click on settings and then go up to system, and as the taskbar theme, go ahead and select clear, which will give you a transparent taskbar. But let's say if you are in Windows 10, so if you are in Windows 10, your icons won't be centered. So if you want to center your taskbar icons, I will have a video in the description which you can check it from yourself, and with the help of that video you can actually customize your taskbar to look like this. So yeah, back to the video. Thank you. Alright, so after you have done that, we can open up Rainmeter just like this. First of all, go ahead and open up my folder, and then you need to double click on this little skin right here. Just double click on that and untick this box and click on install. Also just do the same thing to the other skins. So yeah. Alright, so after you have done that, simply click on this little icon right here and then open up Rainmeter. And then you need to click on this skin right here, and then you need to open up date and double click on this file. Okay, so after that you can place this skin wherever you like. I'm gonna place it somewhere right here in the middle, and then you just wanna double click on this and then it will open up the settings window. Simply click on the 12-hour clock and then as the color 3, go ahead and select black and click OK. And as the color 1 and as the color 2, go ahead and select white as the color 1, and as the color 2, go ahead and select black and then click on close. After that, simply right click on this and click on edit skin, and again open up my folder and double click on the text file, and after that press Ctrl and A, right click on this text, click on copy and close this window, and then paste that to this notepad file. So click Ctrl and A and right click on paste. After that, click on file, click on save and close this window, and right click on the skin and click on refresh skin. Alright, perfect. And then again open up the Rainmeter and you need to click on this skin and double click on this thing right here. Alright, and then go ahead and right click on this, click on options, and then go ahead and copy down the settings. Also, I have provided the settings in this text file right here, so you can copy these things. So as the bar width, we need to select 3, and as the bar gap, you need to make it 10, and then as the bar count, you need to make it 16, and then the sensitivity at 33. After that, go up to general and change the visualizer height to like 49, and after that you can click on styling and you can select the color. In this case I would prefer white, and click on close, and then you can place it somewhere right here. And also again open up Rainmeter and click on this stylish music player skin and double click on this. After that, it will open up a box like this. Simply click on settings right here, go up to music player and select Spotify or whatever the music player you prefer, and click on theme and go ahead and click on control colors and select white. After that, you just want to click on player settings, go up to variants and select controls and close this window. And after that, you can place this somewhere at the bottom. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good. Then what you want to do is right click on these skins and then you click on settings and untick draggable and do the same thing to the other skins. Alright, so after you have done that, what you want to do is you need to again open up the Rainmeter software and click on just a bin and double click on this file and right click on your desktop, click on view and untick show desktop icons, and you can place this somewhere right here. So now you are pretty much done. So if you play music on Spotify, so I'm gonna open up Spotify and I'm gonna play a music. And as you guys can see, now these bars are acting to that music. So for some reason, if this bus does not work properly, just right click and click on options and go up to the general and click on change audio device and go ahead and select the speakers or the device which your sound is going out. So in this case, I'm using my headphones, so I'm going to select that and then it should work fine. And yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. And after you follow this video until the end, hopefully you will be able to customize your desktop to look like this. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, and if you get any problems, be sure to comment that down in the comment section, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace out.